Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of PyCharm on your Windows 11 operating system. Let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for PyCharm, and the first link which will appear here will be from jetbrains.com/PyCharm. So just click on that link, and once this website opens, which is jetbrains.com/PyCharm, you will be able to see this download button. So click on this download button here. Here you have two versions for your Windows operating system. One is professional, other is community. Professional is the paid version, community is the community version, which is open source, so you can use it freely. So I'm going to use the community version. Just click on download under community, which is going to start the download of this PyCharm community.exe file. It's around 400 megabyte file, so just wait for the download to complete. Once this file is downloaded, click on this executable file. Let me minimize the browser, and first of all you will see this kind of message which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Click on yes, and then click on next. So on this next window, if you have the older version of PyCharm, it will ask you if you want to uninstall the older version. I will check this checkbox which is going to uninstall the older version, and then click on next. And here I want to delete everything and share the uninstall feedback. I'm going to check this checkbox also, and then click on uninstall, which is going to uninstall the previous version. Once the uninstall is completed, click on close, and then this will be the location where your PyCharm community version will be installed. So here, if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next. And here you can provide some install options. Create a desktop shortcut. I will check this checkbox. Add open folder as project. I can check this checkbox, and then add bin folder into the path, right? So I can check this checkbox also. Create associations. I will leave this unchecked. I can do this later also, and then click on next, and then just click on install, which is going to start the installation. I can already see that this icon has been created on my desktop for PyCharm, and I just need to wait for this installation to reach to the 100% mark. So once the installation is done, you can see completing PyCharm Community Edition setup, and this will require the reboot of your system. So if you want, you can check this checkbox and reboot your Windows operating system right away, or you can check this I want to manually reboot later option, which is going to just finish this installation, and you can reboot your Windows operating system later also. So I'm going to click on finish here. Now once you have rebooted your system, you can open the PyCharm by clicking on this desktop icon, and for the first time when you open PyCharm, it will ask you this question if you want to choose the config or installation directory. I don't want to choose this, so I will leave it as default, which is do not import settings. Click on OK, and it's going to start the PyCharm IDE. And you can see PyCharm IDE has been started. So let's create a new project. So just click on this new project icon here. Give the name to your project. I can name my project as Python project, and I will leave it as it is. It's going to recognize your Python installation path. Just choose that path and then click on create, which is going to create this project on the PyCharm IDE. And you can see my project has been created and some sample code is given here, right? From here I can see a few options, for example file, and then I have this option for the setting. So I can click on setting, and from here I can choose the appearance. For example, I want to choose the light theme, so I can choose that and then click on OK, and I have the light theme here. If I want to install some pip package, I can click on file and then click on setting once again, and then I can choose project and the project name. So choose this option, project : project name, and then click on Python interpreter, and then I choose the Python interpreter and then click on this plus sign, and then I can install some package, for example numpy, and then press enter, and it's going to search for the numpy package and it's going to show me that package, and I can install that package. Okay, so this is how you can choose those packages and then install that packages and use them into your code. To run your code, you can just click on this run button, and your code will be run, and you can see the output here. Right now default script says hi PyCharm, and it's printed here. So this is how you can install PyCharm on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.